from SaratogaAirsoft, and today we're doing the review of the vsr-10 mp001 by AMG. It's a pretty nice sniper rifle. It does not come with the scope. We bought that separate. The bolt's fairly easy to pull back. It's not too loud. It's really lightweight, like probably 3 to 4 pounds. Safety is right here. It has an adjustable hop-up on the side right here. Standard like orange tip. It has a 32 round magazine. It only comes with one, but you can buy extras on evike.com. Yeah, all in all, it's a pretty accurate sniper. We'll probably have a shooting test up soon. If you have any questions, just comment our page. We'll answer them for you. Yeah, it's a good gun.